Hi guys, this is John Kalam from KHL Motorsport. We're still stuck on quarantine, and of course we're kind of bored, but from time to time we kind of have to go to the garage downstairs and start the cars up. For one occasion, I took my cell phone and did a quick video on our project Elantra Wagon. So as you know that we have the sedan, we have the two-door version, which is the coupe, and we have the wagon. So it's not stock, it's a little bit modified, not too extreme, but anyway, check out the video. So three of them parked. So first of all is the coupe, the Hyundai Coupe, Hyundai Tiburon, whatever you call it. Here, this is the V6. If you notice, yeah, there are electrical wires here. These cars are plugged up with trickle chargers. Yeah, they're all together. And then of course this is the wagon. Can I pass through here? Let me try. And this one's the wagon. The main difference between the two cars is, it's basically from the C-pillar back. So the doors are the same between the sedan and the wagon. They're exactly the same doors. It's just that for the wagon, it has this part. It has a D pillar, it has a hatch. The roof is different. The quarter panels are different. From the C panel forward, it's exactly the same. Bumper is the same. Hood is the same. Mechanically, they all have the same 101-inch wheelbase. So yeah, there are a few differences between sedan and wagon. Few parts that are way different. Seats are different. Rear seats, front seats are the same. Dashboard's the same. These two cars are not stock. You already know the V6. We've done videos about this car. The wagon. We did have an onboard video of this. Where we took this for rallycross. This has been out of commission for the longest time, this car. The engine was in dire need of an overhaul, so we did an overhaul in this car. Well, I felt it was kind of boring to just rebuild it normally. Slightly hopped it up a little bit. It has for a GE Blacktop pistons. Engine valves 2 mm bigger than stock. Those are the stock valves for the 2-liter version of this. I think it's still running I think it has a modified intake cam. I don't know if we removed it, but I'll double check. But this has a hotter, it should have a hotter intake cam. But otherwise, it's stock. The computer box is stock. Right now, the current problem of this car is it's overheating. We removed the thermostat. It's still overheating but slower. Has a bigger displacement, so it's probably leaning out. And we haven't touched the engine controls. Yeah, so probably it's leaning out. And of course, the cylinder liners are a bit thin. So we just bored it out. We bored it out a big amount. Let's open the hood. Kind of hard to see the engine at this light. It's the stock engine, stock intake, stock exhaust. It has LPG also, but it doesn't work. So we'll figure out how to make that work after everything normalizes. We don't know how to make that work. We have Clean Fuel who does the LPG system for us. Basically, this engine looks stock, but it's not stock. it doesn't seem to be any faster than stock. So yeah, the stock bore size is 77.4 mm. Now it's running a 4A GE Blacktop piston, which is an 81 mm bore. So we had the engine bored out to 81 mm. So it's functionally around 1750cc if I'm not mistaken, close to 1.8. Adjustable cam gear, Fidanza cam gear, so that we could advance and retard the base engine timing. Yeah, it has a strut bar. This is a legit Korean sourced strut bar. We got it secondhand. So yeah, it's running the stock radiator. We'll probably, once we have more money, upgrade this to a 2-row. And as far as the engine side, that's it. Brakes are stock. Interior is stock except for the let's see if it's open. If it's not open, I'm not gonna show you. Yeah, it's running Uber racing seat. Otherwise, the interior is as how we got it. Because I was able to buy this car secondhand from somebody, not running, and we got it running in the shop. This car has about 300,000 on the chassis, 300,000 kilometer mileage on the chassis. One trick thing we did, if you would notice, is that the ride height of this car is kind of tall. We wanted to do a rally style suspension on this using OEM components. The rears are from JM Tucson. That's the 2004 to 2008 model. They don't bolt on, but we managed to make it work on the rear. That's a surplus Tucson shock and spring combo modified to fit. So okay, spring rate's good for the rear. The front was a bit of an iterative process because the JM Tucson fronts are too damn tall, so it's not really not gonna work. We managed to make it work, but it was too damn tall. So what we did was put in GK Tiburon shocks and brand new KYBs in the front. Unfortunately, we did not have the correct springs for the GK Tiburon, so just got a surplus set from a Civic Dimension. It's lighter than a GK Tiburon, so the shocks were not matching the spring rate. Spring rate was too damn soft. So what we did was, let's see if you can see it on video. I'll take a picture of it and insert it on post. So we put in some spring inserts that you could buy, but these are fabricated from hard rubber, from used earth mover tires. So that's probably set the spring rate to a level that matches the shock. So when we drove it, it really drove way better. Really rides very nicely. Fantastic. If I have more money, I'll change the tires to thicker ones. These are 55 series. This car deserves 60 series. Ano Jen, what are you supposed to say? Please ask the viewers out there to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hi viewers, today please subscribe, click the notification bell, and don't forget to like.
Yeah, it's KHL Motorsport on YouTube. On Facebook, it's Kuhol Garage. Instagram, it's KHL Motorsport as well. Hope you guys check out the next video. Thank you. Take care. Especially take care at these trying times, and God bless.
Bye.
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 Mm.